Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about remote jobs and how you can find them. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now without further ado, let's begin with today's video. You might have heard some of the given sentences. Someone is saying, I'm working online. I work remotely. I don't go to office. I'm hired as a freelancer. And someone says, I want job, but I don't want to go to office daily. I want to work, but I don't want to get up early and dress up, then hurry for office. Then you'll reply with a weird look on your face and say, what? Are you mad? No, he's not mad. This is actually possible. That you get a job and you don't go to the office for work. Instead, you work online from your home. Actually, you can work from your bed also, technically. Intro to remote jobs. A job that allows an employee to work from his or her home and does not require him to hurry to the office every day is called a remote job. Now, you can wonder how you can find a remote job, how you will get paid, what you will do, and who will hire you. All these questions will be answered in this video. So, to get to the heart of the topic, just bear in mind that remote jobs allows you to do somebody's work while being at home. Instead of hurriedly commuting to the office every day by bus or train, you just wake up and get your laptop. Then, depending on the nature of the work, you provide your services. Other names that can be used to refer to these kind of jobs are virtual jobs and home-based jobs. Who can be a remote employee? Anyone who has computer-related skills can be a remote employee. There are a variety of skills needed in the marketplace. For instance, typing, graphic designing, content writing, website development, photo editing, script writing, sound designing, and many more. Who will hire you? There are several companies that needed employees, but instead of providing them with furnished offices and electricity, they allow them to work from home. Then they assign them monthly or weekly tasks to be done, and in the end, they receive their remuneration. How will I get paid? After completing your task or at the completion of the month, you will be paid through your bank account. It depends on your country, but most people get paid through a PayPal account. Where will I work? This is the most interesting thing about remote jobs. You can work from wherever you want. You can work from your home, from a park, or a cave while also enjoying your coffee. There are co-working places in the US where these remote employees get together and complete their tasks. They share their thoughts with the people who are working in the same field as them. Some jobs need you to attend a meeting at the office while carrying on working from home. How to find a job? It is really easy to find a job. There are a ton of websites that help to bring buyers and sellers together. Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are some common examples. Just go there and create your profile. Put in your area of expertise and tell customers that you can do this and that work, and you will soon land a customer. Ways to find remote jobs. Now come to the main point of our topic, which is how I can find remote jobs. Here are some ways that you can find remote jobs. Project coordinator. The first remote job on our list is project coordinator. The project coordinator's job is basically to take care of the different projects that the company gets from the clients they have. This kind of job includes things like making budgets for projects and maintaining those budgets to make sure they do not go over, and also making sure that the client and company's relations stay good. But this does require some relative experience in the field. You must be thinking about how to become one. But don't worry, I got you. This does not mean that you go out and find a place where you will learn this skill. There is a project management institute called CAPM that provides these certificates. To get this certificate, you need to take an online workshop training course of 23 hours plus an online exam. Before I disappoint you by telling you that you can earn anywhere between $20,000 to $50,000. This certificate cost a total of about $700, but the money being spent is worth it. Imagine you land a job and then do a good job. It can turn your life upside down. Social Media Coordinator. These individuals are responsible for creating and scheduling content across social media platforms, creating copy and designing graphics for posts, and engaging with the audience on social media platforms by responding to comments or answering questions, and also monitoring of the performance of these platforms. Customer Support Representative (CSR). These people provide solutions to customers or users over email, phone calls, instant messaging platforms, etc. When a user or customer faces a problem, he or she contacts the service provider. The service provider then offers a solution to his or her problem. But obviously, they will need various employees to cater to the needs of a large number of people. The only thing you need for this job is a genuine desire to help people. Data entry clerks. What is the job of data entry clerk? Well, it's easy. A data entry clerks is the addition, verification, and sending virtual data in a range of industrial sectors. These industries may include healthcare sector, finance departments, retails, transportation, etc. This may include moving information from one document format to another, transferring product data and compiling data from multiple sources into one sheet. For this, you need to be well aware of the software that will help in this job because these companies rely highly on the accuracy of the data. The average hourly pay of a data entry clerk is $16. And if you have the speed or typing speed to be specific, you can earn that money in just half an hour. The only requirements are computer literacy and attention to detail. Transcriptionist. Transcribers are those who make a transcript of all the details of a video or audio recording. But now companies generate auto-transcript generators. But even then, they will need a transcriber because computers are not perfect. You will then review those auto-generated transcriptions and correct any grammatical or punctuation-related mistakes. This is a really easy job, and the only thing you need to have is language command. Virtual Assistant. A virtual assistant provides administrative support for business and management professionals. If you are an organized individual and know how to manage, the field is open to you with immense opportunities. Suppose you are hired by someone who has an online business. Your job will be to find products for him, source those products, and then advertise those products. This is how you can be of great help to him and get a handsome amount of money. Similarly, you will also be working as his VP by sending emails or dealing with customers. Also, you may be asked to coordinate social media posts or coordinate data. Graphic designing. Graphics are required by employers for both printed and digital materials. Printed materials include booklets, magazines, cards, and flyers. This kind of job needs you to provide logo designing, video graphics, and illustrations. The only skill you need to have is graphic design, which you can learn from YouTube and other platforms or from a mentor. Content writer. Content creators are those who write articles, blog posts, scripts, essays, research papers, etc. This is the easiest job that I really recommend. The only thing required to be a content creator is the ability to write. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications under this video so that you are notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.